We don't talk, read, or spell by saying and thinking names of letters. Phonograms are letters and combinations of letters that produce a single, blended sound. Sounding out these phonograms lays a foundation for reading fluency. This feeling-based phonics system is a direct aid to mentally imprinting these phonograms through sense memory. The phonograms here are taught with animations that show where the points of vibration and feeling are, along with description of the feeling sensation. Live-action speakers work through a structure of word lists, sentences, monologues, dialogues, and finally movie scenes, utilizing a triple repetition in 3 levels of vocal energy. The phonograms are color-coded in 3 primary colors. Yellow are all the major vowels. Consonants in green are legato, or sustainable. Green for go. Consonants in red are staccato, or plosive. Red for stop. For example, wild beasts, caged monkeys. Wild beasts, caged monkeys. Wild beasts, caged monkeys. DVD 1, tonal vowels. Y, E, and A are the strongly vibrating tonal vowels. DVD 2, structural and neutral vowels. These structural vowels are largely defined by their lip shape. The number assigned to each simply corresponds to the relative size of the lip opening. See more about this in Speech Dynamics structure. DVD 3, consonants, and more consonants. DVD 4, connected speech and intonation, has consonant clusters that represent blend phonograms. This menu goes to video lessons including word lists and monologues. This menu goes to a section where these monologues are worked through with emphasis on linked phrases. Attention to weak forms, contractions, and linked phrases is another aid to building speed and comprehension in reading. This feeling-based system has advantages for all ages and reading levels: K through college, gifted, school children, homeschool, career advancement, reading skills enhancement for college and high school, special education, remedial, dyslexia, ADD, ADHD, ESL, and EFL students, A-OK.